about you, Kritika?
I'm good. I'm good. So here we have 3 coders, and they will
Okay.
be presenting
Firstly,
their
thank you so
project.
much for inviting me.
Pleasure is all ours. All right. So here we have our young coders, and one by one they will be showing their projects.
Okay.
All right. So who will be going first? Shanvik? Okay, I need to tell you something about Shanvik. Shanvik is the youngest here. He is just 4.7 years old. Am I right?
Oh man, OMG, it's great.
Ma'am, first I was 4.7, then 4.8, then now I'm 4.9.
So you
Sorry?
turned 4.9. He's 4.9. He's not 4.7.
Okay. Sorry. Good.
All right, Shanvik, you may share yours. First, you introduce yourself to ma'am.
Hello everyone, my name is Shanvik Kumar Bega. I'm 4.9 years old. Today I'm going to tell about my project.
Yeah, show me your project.
1 minute, share screen. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay. Not yet. Explain. Explain first, then play.
I use 3 sprites, monkey, apple, and
Then how many variables?
2.
Okay.
Wait,
Say loudly.
2 variables.
Okay.
You may show your project on full screen.
Okay. Now, press. See, run.
When monkey is touching the apple, his head will decrease. And when he gets the high points, will increase.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hi, Naman.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, why did you
All right.
Game over.
Yeah, game is over. Yamini, would you like to play Shanvik's game?
I'll play. Definitely, I'll play.
Shanvik, you may give the remote controls, or Yamini, you may ask for the remote controls.
Yeah, give me a remote control. How I'll play it.
I know.
How to share this?
Ma'am, can you find that option on the top, view options or more or something?
Or viewing
Remote
view option.
No, I remember I use it in the classes.
एक second. Remote control, right?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
wanna
yes,
use
ma'am.
it.
To Yamini Sharma, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Now ma'am will play, you see.
Mama.
Yeah, nice.
So Shanvik, tell ma'am what control she need to use. How can she play?
Left and right.
Guide me, Shanvik, guide me how I play.
Tell ma'am how
We
to
click
play.
the flag.
Okay.
And then we will click to my screen.
Okay.
And then we play.
Right and left arrow.
Right
See?
and left to move the monkey.
Yeah, Yamini, you need to press flag first on the top left.
Yes,
We have a flag button.
Okay.
Green.
This one?
Yeah, click on that.
Yes.
Now you need to use arrow keys on your keyboard, left and right.
Okay, fine.
You need to avoid apples.
Let me make you slowly vanish.
Where's my monkey?
It's out of the screen.
Key. Left key, yeah.
You just went on the lines.
Okay. Yeah, only one health is left. Gone.
How can I get my controls back?
Yeah, sure. Perfect,
Great.
Shanvik. Good job. Can we have applause for Shanvik, everyone?
Yeah, sure.
Good job, Shanvik. Very nice. Was it your idea?
Tell
Was
me.
it your idea?
Yes.
Okay.
Is this your idea?
Yes.
Oh, great. It's too good.
So thank you, ma'am.
Also, you may add one more thing, like Apple is making the monkey fade away, right? So can those hertz can bring the brightness back? Can he like come back in the screen slowly? Can we add that?
Yes.
Rest your game is perfect.
How about
Awesome.
when in the next lesson we do that?
Sure, we can do that in the next session. All right, you may stop your screen share. Very nice thought, very nice game. Good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anytime, anytime. So, Arohan, will you be going next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Hello, everyone. My name is Arohan Datta. Today, I'm going to show you my capstone project, and my name of my app is Maze Game. In this game, it is like the
First,
temporary.
you stop your moving. Stop moving. Now say.
It is like the temple run game, but it's actually not the temple run. It will tell you to move the ball, and avoid the obstacles and reach the gold coins. I'm sharing my screen and showing my capstone project.
Okay.
So this is my maze game. If I turn it into right, it will move right and down. Now, if I touch the gold coin, then it tells us you win. You win. And if we will click on yes, then the game will again start like this. The game will. You win. And if we click on no, then the game will exit.
Okay.
perfect.
Good job.
If it crashes the obstacles, it will go to the normal position.
Nice. Can we also add levels in this, Arohan? Like once it touches the gold coin, it should go to second maze, like a little tough, something like that.
Second level.
Can we make multiple level game? Will you like enhance your app in that way?
Yes, ma'am. If I want to, but I only add one level.
Sure. Later you may like extend your app, modify your app in that way.
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice project. So we can see like you have used orientation sensor here. You are just tilting your phone to make your ball know to head in which direction.
Okay.
Very nice. Can we have applause for Arohan? Everyone. Good job, Arohan. Very nice.
I thank Go Global for giving me a very good company of coding, and I also thank Kritika ma'am for this amazing course journey also.
Thank you so
How
much, ma'am.
sweet.
In fact, it was a pleasure teaching you, Arohan. It was very pleasure. Pleasure is all mine. All right, you may stop your screen share. Shanvik is saying something. You are on mute. We can't hear you.
I'm
Say,
trying to
say,
say what
say.
else.
Say now.
I was trying to record my sound that's so I cannot see you or him.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see us now?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Ishan, will you be going next?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Ishan Jain from Kulachi Hansraj Model School. I'm in 6th class. Now in 7th. Ma'am,
In April, you will be going to 7th.
no, after 13-14 days.
Oh, okay. New session is starting from March?
Yes, ma'am. These are my holidays.
Oh, okay.
Okay, ma'am. So I have created a project which is obstacle avoider. Wait a minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Ishan, as of now, it's totally a black. You may leave the audio from your iPad. Yeah, no need to join the audio. Yeah.
Ma'am, see, I have created this. Ma'am, sometimes the motor doesn't work due to some problem. but the ma'am, the robot is that, ma'am, it will walk straight. If there is an obstacle, it will turn to the right.
All right.
Due to some wires, it is an issue. Now, ma'am, I think it will work fine. See, ma'am, wait. Ma'am, see. Wait, ma'am. Wait just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, everything is black.
Ha, right. He might have kept his camera on the phone. Yeah. Yeah. We can see.
Wait a minute. See, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. It's detecting obstacles. It's taking turns. Nice. But is it slipping on this tiled floor? Is because of friction or something?
I don't know, ma'am. I think yes, because it's a marble floor.
Marble floor. Yeah. Might be friction. Due to friction, your wheels are slipping.
Yes, ma'am.
But your idea is really good.
Right. Concept is nice. So which
it's
sensor
really
is
good.
that? If you may explain about the
Yes,
sensor.
ma'am.
you
We're
are
trying to do something different.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
I have used an ultrasonic sensor for it.
And how
Ma'am?
does it work?
Yes, ma'am, I'm telling. Ma'am, ultrasonic sensor is to detect the distance like bat do. Ultrasonic send its ray, ma'am, is it send its rays or like this, and then if the rays come back, then there is something.
Right. If the rays reflect back, so there is some obstacle in the front.
Yes, ma'am. We use a Poisson function for this, and to calculate the time and the ma'am, first of all, we find distance. There is a formula. Distance is equal to speed upon time. The ultrasonic sensor.
Wait. Distance is equals to?
Distance is equal to speed into time. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, into time.
Right.
Time, the ultrasonic sensor calculates time with a Poisson function, and the rays of and the speed of the rays of the ultrasonic sensor is 0.0343 centimeter per microsecond. So that's how it calculates the distance. Now, if my robot detects something after 25 centimeter, then it will turn to right. Then it will move forward. That means it is avoiding the obstacles.
Right. Ishan, just one little change if you can do. अभी जो क्या कर रहा है आपका robot, it's just sensing and taking the immediate turn, right? वो थोड़ा back होके turn लेगा ना, तो वो wheel लगेगा नहीं obstacle में. वो एकदम turn ले रहा है तो wheel लग रहा है obstacle में. थोड़ा back करवा के turn ले लो.
Okay, ma'am.
1 second or half second back. That will work.
Okay, ma'am. I will do the change.
Yeah, all right. Otherwise, the project was very nice. Can we have applause for Ishan? Everyone. Very nice. Good job, Ishan.
This idea is great.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a fun fact.
Yeah, please share.
Ma'am, I was saying that the distance is equal to speed into time, but speed is equals to distance upon time.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's unitary method, I guess. It is called unitary method. No.
Cross connection.
Yeah, right. Cross multiply or something.
Cross multiply.
Yeah, in math.
method.
All right. Now last we have Naman. Naman, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi. So if you could present your project, first you introduce yourself.
And good morning, ma'am. And good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I'm Naman Saraf. I'm in class 5th Blue. I'm in class 5th. My project is Hungry Shark. Ma'am,
Yeah, if you could make it full screen first.
yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we click the flag, it will sense where our arrow is going, and it will eat. We have to eat the fishes, and it will increase the score. And the timer is 1 minute. We have
Oh,
to eat
okay.
maximum
Maximum
fishes.
fishes.
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Nice.
Great. Good
A
job.
catching game. So if the timer reaches 0, what will happen then?
It will stop and say game over.
Oh, okay. So you
There is
might
a
have.
next level also.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a next level also.
No, ma'am.
Okay. No, it's good.
Nice, nice. But why do you want? Why the big shark is eating the small fishes?
Because
That
she is hungry.
she is hungry. Okay. In fact, the game should be opposite. आपको save करना चाहिए था small fish को, rather than like make them being eaten, I guess. Otherwise, the project is nice, fun, very nice. Can we have applause for Naman? Good job, everyone. Now, Yamini, if you have some words to share with them, I hope you enjoyed your time with us.
Definitely, I'll enjoy this. If you like, I can't say कि small child can do like this work.
Right.
Right? They are really good. They are doing very great job.
Thank you so much for your words, and thank you, kids. Such a nice project it was. You all presented very well. Keep up the good work, everyone. And
Keep it up.
do share your new ideas, new projects with us. Whenever you make something new, do share with us. Do you want to say something? You guys may unmute yourself. We are just ending the session. You may all unmute yourself. Do you want to say something? Shanvik, you are on mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
I want to say that I was the first one to say.
Say.
So I'm proud of myself.
Okay, very good.
And I can be first, I will be proud. Or second, I will be proud.
Okay, no
Please
problem.
try.
No
Not
problem.
a 450.
Okay.
Okay. But I didn't understand anything. Like, if you could please repeat yourself. Say slowly. Speak slowly.
Saying
Yeah,
that
slowly.
I'm proud of myself and
Yes,
I'm
all the
first or
yes. Okay,
second.
okay. He's saying he is proud of everyone. He is proud of himself. All the bhaiyas. He is happy. He's saying.
Oh, he is happy
How
with all the
sweet.
bhaiyas.
It's really good.
All the bhaiyas are also happy with Chanvik. He's the youngest here. All right. Okay, guys. So shall we? Yeah.
I want to say that I couldn't put the score in my game because it was one time I tested it, but it was not working. That's why I didn't put the score.
Okay. So how do you want to add score in that?
No, ma'am. But how was my project?
Project was very nice, but score will not help you in that. आपको time ज़्यादा help करेगा. If you want to put a variable, put a time. How long is it taking? Your ball is reaching the goal. How long is it taking? आप वो time calculate कर सकते हो. Rather than making a score, because इसमें I don't think score का कोई sense होगा. Time will better help you. What I feel. Otherwise, if you have any ideas, you may share. We can connect anytime on Zoom. I can help you out. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So shall we end it here then? Naman, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, guys. Bye
Thank
bye.
you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Everybody. Thank you, everybody.